Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change the color of your dress in a photo using AI for free. Okay, for today's video guys, we're going to use Pipet AI. So first of all, you can visit Pipet AI website. Then you're going to sign in to this website with your Google account. Then you will get free credits. Once you sign into this website, you can immediately use this Pipet AI to change the color of your dress or your clothes in a photo. And you can use the image feature. Then you can upload your photo here. I'm going to change the color of this dress and we need to add the prompt. And for the prompt, I'm just going to change the color of the dress into a blue. Okay, and I'm going to upload the image. Okay, actually, you can add more prompt for the better result, but this is just for an example. So, I'm gonna go with the simple prompt. I hope that the AI can understand my prompt because this is so simple. Okay, and it's still working. And as you can see, of course, I'll change the dress to blue for you. Please wait a moment. Okay, done guys, and this is the result. You can choose the best one. For me, I prefer this one. Okay, then we can click on download. If you want to remove the watermark, you can click on without Pipet watermark. Okay, that's pretty cool. And okay guys, that's how we can change the color of the dress in a photo using Pipet AI. If you want to try it yourself, you can click the join link of the Pipet AI on my YouTube description. Then just try the AI to edit your photo or edit your video. Okay, thank you so much for watching guys, and bye!